the fine word that he took the picture.
You know what I'm saying? Okay, so we're at Olive Garden because Zachariah wanted to come because he wanted some breadsticks and what else?
Pizza, spaghetti, and chicken fingers.
Of course. So we're here at Olive Garden. Here are your breadsticks, son. And he is finishing his last day of first grade. And tomorrow you're going to what?
Second grade.
So he gets to visit his second grade class and everything like that. So that's pretty cool.
And I get to visit Mrs. Seitzman.
All right, that is pretty sweet, man. Well, enjoy your food, buddy.
Okay.
What kind of soup do you have here?
Well, I have a vegetable soup.
All right, cool. And don't you like that? What is that show that you watch all the time? That baking show?
The Kids Baking Championship.
Cool. And who is your favorite person up there? Sailor?
And my other one is Davis.
And Davis. Okay. Now, what happened the other day where someone got kicked off because of peppercorn or something like that? Madison.
And remember Paige burnt her knee with hot butter?
Oh, man. Wow. Pretty good show. Well, enjoy your food.